and welcome back to techystack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today we'll try to understand how the mail messages are working. So basically we have, as of now, I taken the send Outlook mail messages and one more is the send SMTP mail messages. So first we'll try to understand the send Outlook mail messages. So it is sending the mails from the our Outlook, basically in our local machine. So one Outlook application should be installed. So if you not install, then this activity is won't work. Once you install only, then you can use this activity. So now we'll go to the properties and we can see it. So here having the attachments, email body, forward. So you can go forward and some of the details are available. And here we are not giving the any authentications. So why we are not giving is by default it will connect to our local Outlook. So in my machine already Outlook is available. So directly it will connect it to that and we don't want to give the any authentications. So once if I run this mail one, so it will directly send a mail to respective persons. And here the problem is I can send mail from my Outlook only. If I want to send mail from different mail ID, I cannot go with this send Outlook mail IDs. And we have the one more activity which we call SMTP. So SMTP is stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So what it will do now, it will send the mails via internet. So for this, we don't want any Outlook application. It's not installed also. It will work. So here what have the properties now. Here we can see this some important properties are. First thing is host. So in this host we can see the port. So if you are using SMTP, the port is 587 and it depends. For example, if you have different organizations, so those organization will use the port and the server. So as of now, I'm using the Office 365. So I got this one. So these are the standards if you're using Office 365 and mail ID. So as of now, I given the different mail ID. So it will send to this respective mail ID. So here I can change. If I want some XYZ mail ID, I can update this XYZ mail ID and I can update. The next is passwords. So password you can store in the string or you might be the store in the secure password. So anything you can update here. And similarly, we have the attach files. You can attach that how many files you want. You can attach those files. And we can, if you want, if you know the HTML, then you can update the HTML code as well. As of now, I'm going with the normal subject. Now I will change this subjects from here. I will mention as this. I will mention as Outlook, and I will use second one. I will mention as SMTP. Now running this bot, we can see the output. If you don't have any Outlook in your machine, just type mail. So once you type that mail, also you can open this mail like this, or you can go to internet and you can log into the Office 365. Then you can able to see those mails. So as of now, I got received the two mails. So you can see this. So one is a SMTP I mentioned. Another one is I mentioned as Outlook. So we can see the subjects. The important point of this mail message is we need to identify so how the business teams are achieving. So based on that their requirements, we need to understand that process and we need to identify which mail messages is required for our project. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.